Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with a businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 15th of February, Friday. And today the market's gapped up ever so slightly, came back down and then took off again, basically moved sideways and then finally started breaking down towards the end of the morning session. Today we had two trades. We were 0 for 2, losing 3.75 points, and I guess the jinx of February is still upon us, and we'll have to, I'll have to change my analysis. Apparently my analysis is wrong, and all I can really do is make the trades and hopefully get out of this funk soon. But anyway, our first trade was off the open over here, and we basically broke even on it. It was right around here, and then the market came back down, came up, came down, and we got long right in here, and the market kind of chopped around this area. Didn't really give the target that I thought we were going to hit. Then it started rolling over, and it actually came down and stopped us out, which gave us our second trade. And from there it just kind of went lower and eventually lower. So that was our trading day. Not the best day ever, but it could have been worse. When you get a trading range like this, a lot of people will try to make more trades than they really should. And this is the time when people really get chopped up. They just want to take 10, 20, 30 trades, and that's just seems crazy to me. It's just, it doesn't really seem the best ever tactics, trying to make as many trades as possible. What I always do is I try to take a minimal amount of trades, and I try to take ones that have decent probability, that look good and look like they're going to make money. And that's really what I look for in the market. And days like this, weeks like this, it sucks to end the week on a loss, especially on a Friday. But things like that happen. You're not going to have the perfect trading day every single day, and this week is a perfect example. And I hope you can look at this week and see what I've done and say, I'm not the best trader in the world. I've never claimed to be the best trader in the world. I'm a decent trader, and I can make an income at it. That's basically all that I claim. I'm not the best trader. I never will be, and we all strive to be the best, but to get to that level, I'm just not. I don't want to do that, because I'd be, have to work for people and work my way up, and I'd rather just set up my house and trade. That's better for me. So, anyway, I don't want to get on a rant, or I've kind of already started. But anyway, that's kind of what I wanted to talk about a little bit. Just taking a minimalistic approach. Take a couple trades a day, and over the long run, just know it'll work out. At the end of the weeks, the months, the quarters, the years, that's what really counts. You might lose money one day, you might make money another day, but it's only days. And that's a lot of times that's when the revenge trades start. When you make a losing trade, or when you're having a bad week or a bad month. Like this month is not very good, and even though I'm still positive on the month, it's really not good at all. And it's a difference between a professional trader would have a bad month, and he would step back, look at everything, and then come back to the markets. Whereas an amateur trader, especially a new trader, will want to just take extra trades. You know, well, if I take an extra trade, I'll probably make it, and then that one will turn into a loss, and then the next one you're trying to make a trade to make up for those 2 trades, and that's a loss, so you have to make up those 3 trades in one trade, and you know, it just becomes a snowball effect and just becomes very bad. So, you know, I wanted to talk about that a little bit. Hopefully it made sense. Hopefully you got something out of it. You can always leave a comment or email me directly, support@abusinesswithtrading.com. You know, a lot of people like to email me, and that's cool. You know, as long as you ask the question. I always say there's no such thing as a stupid question. If you don't know the answer, ask the question. You know, so I get a lot of emails, which is pretty cool. So thanks everybody for the support. You know, asking the questions. You know, making me feel like I'm talking to people and not myself here. So definitely pretty cool. Thanks for watching the video. And with that, have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.